guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meals. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing, for your comments, for liking. Continue commenting. Go on guys, support me. Thank you so much. Today guys, we are doing something simple. We are doing potato carrot snack. And to start with guys, we'll start with our potatoes. Just take these eggs, put aside. We'll start with our potatoes. Cut them into cubes. That. Now guys, as you can see, we are done cutting our potatoes into cubes. Then we'll boil them. Like that. We add salt. We let our potatoes boil. In the meantime guys, we grate our carrots. After you're done with grating our carrots, we'll fry them. We add oil to our pan, like that. We're frying our carrots. We add a pinch of salt. We add paprika, like that. Guys, our carrots are ready. We set them aside. Guys, as you can see, our potatoes are ready. Now we drain the water and let them cool. You can see guys, our potatoes. Now we'll peel them like this. Automatic, the skin, you can see, has come out. Now we smash our potatoes. Now guys, our potatoes are ready. Now we come with our carrots. This is when our potatoes meet our carrots. Like that. Come with our onions and our corianders. Add onions, our coriander, like that. Now we mix potatoes, onions, and corianders, and also carrots. You can see guys the magic of colors. You can see how they look nice. I think they are ready now. Now guys, we make balls. Like that. Put it there. Another one. Like that. Now guys, we are done making our balls, as you can see. Now guys, we want to make a paste. We have our yogurt here, we have milk, we have our wheat flour, and we have our 2 eggs. We take a bowl like that, beat our egg, the other one, like that. We add salt, beat our egg, like that. We add our flour, remember guys, we are making a paste. We add yogurt, and mix. We add milk, little by little. think our paste is good. I go to our next step. We let our oil heat. We dip our balls like that. We cover them with our paste. Like that. Yeah. Okay, we take our ball, we put it on our pan like that. The other one like that. Make sure you put your balls well. You turn. Be turning side by side. Turn. You can see, guys, they look nice. Make sure you turn them well, like that, and see how they look. Our potato carrot snack, like that. Guys, as you can see, our potato carrot snack is ready. You can try this recipe anytime. It's so delicious, guys, and thank you so much. Okay, guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.